Anyway, no, that was one of the scariest things when you had that fall.
Yeah, it wasn't fun.
And I watched it, and there was nothing I could do about it. It was a powerless moment.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, yeah. This is the famous Jesse Owens mural. You know what? Let's go sit over there, because this place is going to get crowded. 3 lawyers eating sandwiches. At what age would you stop going on a roller coaster? When did you cross over from, I want to go on everything, to I can't go on anything at all?
I think the first time I knew it may be the beginning of the end was when we were at Universal Studios and I sort of blacked out.
Yeah, he and Sam.
On the loop. When I mean,
like you see on the videos?
No.
They had
I don't
their
mean I didn't
vision
lose
narrowed.
consciousness, but my vision kind of closed to where I couldn't see for a split second.
No, this is what I've noticed. At a certain age, you'll go on everything. Then you get to an age where you'll go on nothing. Now I've gotten to a third level I didn't even know existed, where I can't even watch people on it because that makes me nervous and sick. I'm in the final stages. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm actually wearing my
Merch.
3 lawyers eating sandwiches t-shirt.
Which is available.
We don't make any money on it. All the proceeds go to local St. Louis charities. I'm better looking on the t-shirt.
It's a beautiful.
And I'm a disappointment in real life.
We all look great. That's
we do.
The finest picture.
That's the best picture ever depicted of us.
I think there was a little manipulation on there.
Whatever it took, it doesn't matter.
Here you go.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hey, how are you doing? You know, Andy, we're happy to be here, and we know what we want to order. We have to get the Heartstopper BLT, which am I wrong? Does that come with the full pound of bacon on it?
It's a pound of bacon before frying, yeah.
And is there a guarantee that it will stop your heart?
Well, you're on the brink as it is. You don't even need a whole pound. 2 slices and you're done.
Hey, you're right behind me, Shorty.
I'm 3 slices away, but you're 2 slices away. We need to do the Reuben.
Yep.
We do.
We need to do the big cheese.
Yep.
That's like an adult grilled cheese, right? A lot of different cheeses on there.
You got
what are the
Swiss,
different
provolone,
cheeses?
American, and cheddar, all grilled on sourdough.
That's traveling the world through cheese. Let's get the Gourmet Frank as well.
We got it.
Awesome.
All right, well, thank you. We're looking forward to it. Is there anything more exciting than when you see your food approaching in a restaurant? Isn't that one of those great feelings?
Look at the food.
All right, I got Miss LaToya here. She's been with us for about 20 years.
Oh, my goodness.
Or more now.
Look at this.
Could we start eating? Okay.
Eat,
Come on, let's get
manja, manja.
Let's go.
What are we
Listen,
gonna start?
everything is on your plate.
I think we start with the heart attack.
Do you take the toothpick out before you take that first bite, or do you leave it in to hold it together?
No, that's the way you get a toothpick jammed in your throat.
There's a big one, Elizabeth.
Oh, God.
I'm coming to join you.
Hold on. Oh, my God. That's beautiful. I've been low-carb dieting, so really, the bacon is not the enemy on this sandwich. It's the little piece of toast.
Did you used to watch Sanford and Son?
Of course.
That was a phenomenal
I love Sanford and Son.
Yeah, it really was a great show.
You big dummy.
I made the mistake of showing my kids some clips like it was a sequence of him calling Lamont a big dummy.
Big dummy.
So for a month, I couldn't get them to stop calling everyone a big dummy.
What was the name? His sister-in-law, Esther? Was that it?
Oh, yeah.
She's good.
She was.
She was a funny lady.
You pickle-eyed. What she said?
She was great.
I'm going to try this hot dog.
We're going hot dog
Yeah,
next?
only because it looks like I don't have to open my mouth that far, and I'm coming off the bacon. Which, I mean, listen, it's as simple as this. If you love bacon, you're going to love the BLT because all bacon.
Who doesn't love bacon?
A pound of bacon and a slice of tomato.
It's a good hot dog. I like the way it's cooked.
Yeah. I think the real treat here is the bun. Anything better than a toasted sesame seed?
This is really the original St. Louis sandwich place.
Perry, let me ask you this. Do you remember a time when, like, you would go to, like, a pharmacy for milkshakes and food? Because that was a real thing, like soda fountains. But that was before our time. Tell us the story, Terry.
Let me spin a yarn for you.
Yeah, I want to hear about that time period,
No,
because I
we
think
would
I would
sit
have
in
loved
these
that.
little spinning chairs, stools.
I really thought this would be a better story. I'm going to try that around the world big cheese with the 4
Remember,
cheeses from around the world.
Sam, the watermelon man?
Yeah, that was.
There was a guy in St.
my
Louis.
old partner, Myron's uncle,
Really?
Zwiebelman. Yeah.
That's a really good grilled cheese. Well, something about a grilled cheese. It's very comforting.
That's a good one.
I'm going to try the Reuben, by the way. The Reuben looks good. I could have had some of this sauerkraut right on the dog, too. It would have been good. Have you guys tried the Reuben?
No,
Do we
let's
want to
go.
give that a shot? Yeah,
Yeah,
let's give that
let's
its due. Hey! I mean, I couldn't even get through this. This is so good.
You know, that should be they should have a bumper sticker, deeper than a pound of bacon.
I think they have a contest here too, not with the bacon, but I think if you could finish 5 malts in 30 minutes, they're free.
Like in Coney Island for the hot dog eating contest.
At the very first Coney Island hot dog eating contest, the winning amount of hot dogs eaten was only 13.
Wow.
Yeah, and now look at what they do.
You know what it is? Dunking the buns in water was like the Fosbury flop of hot dog
It was the
eating.
breakthrough. It was the Rosetta Stone.
It really was.
It was, and then everything just sort of went down. Still, I don't know how people can eat that many hot dogs.
Because human beings are remarkable in what they can train themselves to do.
I suppose.
Can you imagine a man can jump 8 feet, high jump?
How many feet could you jump with a running start?
Maybe 3.
No chance. Skateboard,
Andy,
too.
how far do you think you can jump on a running start, Jesse Owens style? How close are you getting to his 26 feet?
Oh, I think I could make it about 8 feet.
What about in your prime?
9.
Let's just talk for a minute about the sandwiches because I'm actually leaving room because, we're getting a banana split.
Which one did you eat the least of?
Probably the Reuben, just because I don't know what was happening while I was eating the grilled cheese, but I just kept eating it.
I liked the Reuben.
Reuben's
Reuben was
delicious.
very good. I thought the BLT was great, but the bacon just,
It's a lot of bacon.
I'll tell you what I did.
I ate too much again.
I would take little pieces of just the meat of the bacon.
That's what I did it too.
Slide it right into that grilled cheese.
Coughing.
Yeah, but that's just
No, you're
Coughing.
choking.
Yeah.
You're choking. There's a
with that
difference between
911
coughing
button.
and choking.
Oh, okay.
So
You
you
slip
slid
the
a little
bacon into the grilled cheese. I'm going to do that.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to take a page out of your book.
Trim the fat.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just slide it right in there.
Well,
That is good.
You know, I'm glad we finally made it here.
Oh, my God.
Oh, and we're gonna get.
Jeez, there are 3 of them.
Oh God.
Well, there's 3 of you, ain't there?
I know, but we were going to do it like we're a Lady and the Tramp style.
Live
Nobody
whipped
wants
cream.
to see that.
How are you?
Hey, how you doing?
That's right.
That's right. Hello.
It's good.
It's good. I think we've officially run out of things to talk about.
I think
Or
I'm
we've
just
all
full.
gone to a happy banana split heaven.